I got another one for y'all, and we are gonna be slapping on the kit already. If you've been following the process on this HEMI, you should know that I'm slapping on a Hellcat blower, and we already got everything. Now it's just time to slap on the kit. I'm gonna make a video on it, but I'm not gonna give you like a whole install video because there's already like 2 or 3 videos out there that take you through the whole process. So I'm gonna just like do it and then to let you know where I'm at and like that. It might take me like 2-3 days, who knows, might knock it out in 1 day, but I don't know. But yeah, man, we're gonna get it started. This is not a tutorial video, this is just a video of me doing it, you know, the process or whatever. If you do want to like full breakdown of the install, make sure you go check out these two, boom boom, right here. They give you a whole little breakdown of how to do it, you know, and it's very helpful, so go check that out. But as of right now, I'm gonna pull out the car, turn it around for it could face the table back there with the blower on it, and I'll just be taking out the parts and like, you know, doing the install. But yeah, I'll let y'all know how I'm doing. Bruh, I just realized my license plate fell off. What the hell, bruh? I was in a hurry yesterday, so I was gassing it, and I guess it fell off. But damn, that's crazy. Now I gotta buy another one. Or I think I have the one that goes to the front, but I'm not sure. But yeah, it fell off. Jesus. That's crazy. I realized when I went to go close the gate and I turned around and I was like, what? Ah, Lord Jesus. All right, so quick update. It's been like, what, 2 hours, I want to say. And I ate breakfast, obviously, and everything, like, between all this shit. But yeah, we got the snout off, and we got the top of this off as well. I mean, it's not coming off because I have one, then another one right here just to hold it down. But as you can see, we have it off. Bolts are right here. Yeah, right now I'm having a friend bring an impact gun just because to take off this pulley I have to have force. I had someone hold it down from that side and me like try to push it down, you know, but it's too much. It's too much. So I just told him if he could bring the impact just to slap this on, and we should be good on the blower part. Then moving on over here, I'm taking out everything. I already took off the injector plugs. I unplugged the solenoid right here, brake booster. I think the back one is the map sensor, I think. I'm not sure, entirely sure, but I unplugged that one already. Took off that little plastic that goes right here, intake. We got a long way, well, not a long way, but we're getting somewhere, you know. As of right now, I'm preparing to take off the manifold. I just need to unscrew the 10 bolts and I should be able to just lift it up like nothing and take it out. And yeah, I'll update y'all once I get a little further. But yeah, so far it's going cool. Me, knowing me, I'm very impatient with things. So like, if I'm struggling with something, it gets me mad and I like break it. I call it. In this case, we can't do that because if something breaks, it's gonna be expensive to replace. So what I'm doing is, if I get stuck somewhere, either watch a video or something, or go cool off and come back. Because if I end up breaking something, then it's gonna be expensive. So yeah, I'm trying to take my time with this since it's my first time as well. But yeah, man, we get in there. So I just had to like completely come to a stop. But yeah, man, as you can see, we got the valve covers on. I just need to screw on the bottom bolts. Those are just loose. And this side as well. Also, CFR did not send me out this cap for right here, so I'm waiting on that. And the oil filler thing did not have the top, so I had to order that as well, or let them know to send it to me. Yeah, man, we just got so backed up, bro. It's been probably like, what, I want to say 4 days now. But yeah, the bolt is right here. I can't show y'all right now, but it's right here. It's stuck all the way inside. I already had someone come and try to take it out. It did not work whatsoever, bro. I feel like he messed it up a little more, but I don't know. We gotta wait until Monday. As of right now, it's Wednesday, so yeah, we got like a couple more days to go. So yeah, man, it sucks, but like I said, we got the valve covers on, we got the adapter plates on. What else? Now we just needed like the wiring and like just all the little small parts. Oh, the pulley adapter, all the little small parts we just needed, and we're gonna be complete. Obviously, I do still have to tune it, but besides that, we're almost complete. Yeah, I removed the water pump. But if this guy, my bad for going off topic, but if this guy can't take out this bolt, I'ma just, you know, say F it and buy a whole new timing cover, because it's just stuck right here in the timing cover. I don't think it made it all the way to the block, but hopefully it didn't. If it did, I could probably take it out, because I'm pretty sure it was a pretty long bolt. So I'm pretty sure if I take out the timing cover, I could just take it out, but I don't want to take out the whole timing cover, you know. So I'm gonna see if he could take it out. If not, I'm gonna just buy a whole new timing cover. But yeah, that's been the process with the supercharger adapter kit. I messed up, bruh. If I didn't mess up, I probably would have had videos for y'all already, like it running and everything. But that happened, bruh. That happened. But yeah, man, it sucks. It really does suck. That's why I haven't uploaded no YouTube videos, or I haven't told y'all or anything. But yeah, man, that's the update on the charger. I'ma probably make this like a part 1. The part 2, I'll probably make it of him trying to take it out. If he can't take it out, then I'ma just have to buy a new time cover once again. I already said that like 3 times. But yeah, I'm missing the car, man. I'm missing it. I don't care if it was stock or supercharged, but I'm missing my car, bro. It's been 4 days, about to be 5. I'm so sad, depressed, everything. But we're gonna bounce back harder. This big thing is going in there. No homo. You feel me? But yeah, man, make sure y'all stay tuned. This is gonna go hard. It's gonna go hard. It's gonna be all over social media. Watch, trust me. 5'7" from Cali with a supercharger, bro. Yes, sir. But I'm gonna end this part 1 here, man. I'm gonna make a part 2. I'm not like I said, I'm not making a full-on like detailed video on how to put it on, just because there's already 2 other videos out there. One is by Skyland or Skyline, I don't know. I'll post it up here. And then the other one is Crash and Burn. His name is Bernie, but his YouTube channel is Crash and Burn. The Crash and Burn one is very detailed. He gives you part 1, part 2, part 3. I think there's like 5 parts. He breaks it down very detailed, and he shows you all the parts you need for your supercharger adapter kit. And yeah, man, so if y'all enjoyed this little part 1, I know it wasn't major, but you know, it's just an update for y'all. If y'all enjoyed this part 1, make sure y'all like, subscribe, turn on the post notifications so you can get notified when I post again on this supercharged HEMI. And I'll see y'all on the next banger. Deuce.